कंगना रनौत को फिर मौका मिला करण जौहर पर वार करने का. The actor has been vocal of her criticism of Karan Johar several times in the past, and she has now reposted a video shared by a netizen who has accused Karan's team, who were filming in Goa, of disposing biomedical waste including PPE kits and robes at Nerul village, which is 10 kilometers from Panaji. There have been news reports and videos shared by netizens who have accused Karan Johar's Dharma Productions of allegedly disposing biomedical waste and garbage from their shooting in Goa for a film that has Deepika Padukone, Ananya Pandey and Siddhant Chaturvedi playing the lead roles. A netizen shared a video which has many images of the disposed material, and it seemingly includes medical robes, plastic food packets and other waste materials that is seen lying on both sides of the road in Nerul village. According to the video, ये garbage एक pristine forest area से गुजरते हुए रास्ते के दोनों तरफ फेंका गया है. In the caption accompanying the video, the netizen wrote, "Next time Karan Johar and Deepika Padukone pretend to care about the planet, remember that they threw biomedical waste including PPE kits from health centers and government hospitals on roadside in Goa. For this, an example should be made out of them. Heavy fine and public shaming needed." The netizen has also shared the screenshot of an alleged news report which has details about the irresponsible manner in which the biomedical waste was disposed by the local teams assisting in the shoot of this Dharma production film. News report के मुताबिक कई environmental activists और local politicians भी इस incident से बहुत disturb हुए हैं. Not one to lose a chance at sharing or commenting about something controversial related to Bollywood, especially Karan Johar, Kangna shared the video posted by the netizen where he talks about Goa being ruined by Bollywood. Kangna ने इस वीडियो को अपनी सोशल मीडिया टाइमलाइन पर शेयर करते हुए लिखा कि मूवी इंडस्ट्री एक वायरस है जो देश के नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट को भी बर्बाद कर देगी. Movie industry is not just a virus for the moral fiber and culture of this nation, but it has become very destructive and harmful for the environment also. Disgusting, filthy, irresponsible behavior by so-called big production houses. Please help. Kangna tagged Prakash Javadekar, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, and the official handle of the ministry, asking them to look into the matter and offer assistance. The Panga star shared a second post as well, where she shared the image of a newspaper report about the Dharma team leaving Nerul allegedly littered with hazardous garbage, and added a caption demanding that stricter rules are needed for various aspects of filmmaking in Bollywood. Their insensitive and inconsiderate attitude is absolutely appalling. Film units need strict rules about women's safety, modern ecological resolves, good medical facilities and food quality check for workers. We need government to assign a proper department to inspect these aspects. While Kangna's intentions may be right this time, Karan Johar and his team are yet to respond to the accusations being made against them. We will have to wait and watch to see whether the matter escalates further or is binned soon.